In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redact a 3-minute phone call in just 60 seconds with CaseGuard. Here I have a 911 phone call that needs names, phone numbers, and addresses removed for a public release. I'm going to show you the easiest and best way to do this with CaseGuard Studio. All I have to do is come up here and click AI Audio. I'm going to select AI Audio, and then Next. Here you can change your number of speakers, as well as what language your audio is in. These are already correct for me, so I'm going to keep them and click Next. Here I'm going to choose what I need redacted. I know my audio file has names, phone numbers, and addresses. Now I'm going to choose my redaction reasons. These will come in handy when I want to generate automatic reports with CaseGuard. Now I'm going to click Next. Here's my summary. I can make sure everything looks right. I'm also going to save this as a template, so the next time I have a phone call like this, I could just load the template and I don't have to specify what needs redacting. I'm going to click Apply. As you can see, my audio has been redacted in just about a minute. Here in the Analytics panel, I have all the PII that was identified. If I want to verify what was said in my audio, I can come down here and click Transcription. I can right-click anywhere in my audio, and I can click Go to Position. And then I can click Play.
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
Okay, may I have your name, sir?
My transcription is accurate. All my PII was detected. So now I can just go ahead and click Export. I'm going to make sure I name it something descriptive and click Export. Now you can see in my transcription, all my PII has been replaced with this mute.
I don't have an emergency. I just want to report a theft.
CaseGuard follows along as the audio plays. Now let's say I'm looking at this and I realize that I want closed captions on my file. I can come down here, click this closed caption button, and here I can customize what my captions are going to look like. I can change the capitalization, the font, the background, how they're aligned, the font size, and the transparency. I think this is all good. I'm going to go ahead and click Next, and then Apply. Now pretty much instantly, CaseGuard has applied closed captions. You can see them here at the bottom of my audio. I'm just going to go ahead and export. Now that that's done, I can come over here to my new file. And you can see that in just 2 minutes, we've auto-redacted all the names, phone numbers, and addresses from a 3-minute 911 call, as well as applied captions. With CaseGuard, you no longer have to worry about listening to your audio over and over again. You can get an automated transcription from which you can bulk redact PII in just seconds.